Welcome, here I've got CAVION Base 5.0 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location text at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's move to the left side at the bottom to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more advanced camera options, and here at the first page we have store location option, so by using the button from the right we can turn off or turn on the camera location tags. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or the mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, the location and the internet. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.